Dear listeners, as you know, Independence Day is the blessing of Almighty Allah. We are proud that we are the citizen of that country which is the nuclear power in the world. We are proud to be the citizen of that country which is the largest army in the world. Dear audience, Muslims couldn't live freely under British dominance. Our culture, religious values, and were at the start. Before the freedom, we were the slave under British in United India. Sir, it was therefore necessary for a Muslim. It was therefore necessary for a Muslim to have the free land. Pakistan came into being by the efforts of Allama Iqbal and the hard work of Quaid-e-Azam and the sacrifices of countless Muslim freedom fights. Dear listeners, I want to attract your attention. When Pakistan came into being, the great Arab leader said, the being of Pakistan is a big turn for the world. And Mr. Jinnah was named as a Quaid-e-Azam by Arab leader. Pakistan opened the way of freedom for those countries in which was ruling by British. Dear listeners, on 14 August 1947, Pakistan declared as independent Islamic Republic state. Sir, it is our responsibility to protect our motherland, Pakistan. There is a huge responsibility on our shoulder. We have to protect our motherland, Pakistan.